So today we are going to be doing this dark fairy look. I really love how this turned out. I am so excited, and I'm probably going to do this for Halloween this year for my look. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. It's that red button down there, and it's free, and if you click that and then click the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos, especially right now. It's Glamoween here on my channel, which means new Halloween videos all month long, and I really hope you guys have been enjoying all of my uploads. This video is sponsored by Fright Night by Ardell. Fright Night is a Halloween theme-based makeup line done by Ardell, and it's at pretty much any local store, as such as Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Myers, places like that. And it's super affordable. 90% of everything on my face is by either Ardell or Fright Night, and I love how this turned out. I love it so much. I should stop rambling now. Let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, we're going to take this Pro Eyeshadow Palette by Ardell, and we're going to take this cranberry shade and this dark brown shade, and we are going to do a dramatic contour. So we are going to really build this color up underneath our cheekbones, by our temples, along our forehead, and then underneath our jawline. After we have that blended out, we're going to go into our chest, and we are going to contour our décolleté, and we are going to make that exaggerated as well. More exaggerated and longer than usual. And then we're going to go into that dark brown plummy shade, and we are going to deepen all of our contours. And we're going to keep this more focused, meaning that we're not going to blend this out as much as the first color. That is going to give the illusion of depth. We are also going to bring this contour down a bit to kind of change the shape of our face. Once we are done with that, we're going to move on to the nose contour. Make sure you blend this out as much as possible. And we're going to also stop our nose contour a little bit higher than what we normally would to make our nose look a little bit more pointy. And then, using the two colors that we have been using this whole time from the Ardell palette, we are going to fill in our eyebrows. So that first red cranberry color we're going to fill in our whole entire eyebrows with, and then we're going to fill in the tail of our brow with that dark brown shade. And then we're going to start on our eyes. Now we're going to keep this eye shape elongated. So when we go to blend, we're going to blend a little bit closer into our nose on the inside, and also a little bit winged out on the outside of our eyes. Then we're going to deepen the crease with that dark brown, and then start to highlight. I'm using this really pretty shade from the palette. It is like a golden champagne color, and we're just going to highlight everywhere. And then, taking this glitter liner by Fright Night, we are going to pop the top off and use a brush to stipple this onto the contoured areas of our face. We are also going to run this on the contoured parts on our décolleté too. And then once that has dried, I wanted a little bit more bling. So we took this chunky glitter from Fright Night as well, and we just started to put that all over our body. Keep in mind that this glitter is not made for your skin, so if you have any allergies or sensitivities, then I would stray away from this step, but I really love what it did for the whole look. We're going to be putting this on our shoulders, our neck, in between the contours on our décolleté, and around the perimeter of our face, and a little touch of it on our eyes. What I really liked about this glitter is once it dried down completely, it was pretty much transfer proof. I could rub it, I could wipe it, it didn't come off on anything, and if it did, it was just a few flecks, which was super impressing to me. And then we're going to do our eyeliner with the Fame Chaser Liquid Liner by Ardell. And I really liked this liner. I'm usually not a fan of felt tip liners because they get dry, but I had no problem working with this one. And I really like the feel of it. It's satin and it's not too heavy, and I just really like how this eyeliner applied. Then we are going to take that same cranberry shade and run this underneath our eye and really blend this out. Once we have it blended out, we are just going to make 2 little streaks straight down, and then once they are the length that you want them to be, I'm just going to add more of that glitter on to the tiers. And then using a black liquid lipstick, I am just placing that onto my lips, and we're going to overdraw them just a little bit. And then once that is on, we are going to put our lashes on, and we are using the Spooky Lashes Vampira edition, and these are super pretty. They are black and then have red tips, and then we're going to just jewel out our face and just lash glue these jewels onto our forehead. Once they are dry, I'm just going around them with some shadow to give them some depth, and then I'm going to put on a wig and some fake ears that I have also dressed in the cranberry color and the glitter. And then for the last touch, I'm just going to run some of that glitter over my lips after my liquid lipstick is dry. Alright, Glam Fam, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you'll enjoy it. I really love how it turned out. I might actually do this again for Halloween, and we'll see. Thank you so much to Fright Night by Ardell for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it, and I loved all of the products that I used, and it's just, I love how this turned out. I really hope you guys do too. If you did like this, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It's that red button down there. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. Especially right now, it's Glamoween on my channel, which means new Halloween videos all the time throughout the month of October. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah!